Ah, my name is Brains. Some of you may have seen me working with International Rescue. Well, I am on a rescue mission of sorts here because with severe cutbacks to buses in Hereford, I have been thinking the best way forward for you poor passengers. What I propose is a Hereford Underground Railway, and this is how I would envisage such a system would work in the city. You see from the map that there would be three basic lines. The Scouse and Brian Cox line, which leads north, the Double Gloucester line, which goes to Gloucester, and the Welsh Rarebit line, which will send you in the direction of Gavin and Stacey territory. Also, I would add that provided further funding is available, there will hopefully be an extension to the system by 2030 with a new line called the Egg and Crest line, which will go towards Ledbury. Binomial cost analysis supports the theory that the planned underground system is feasible. It will begin on April the 1st next year at an estimated cost of £58 million and 3 pence. Regarding ticket prices, I propose we have the Hereford Thrift ticket, which will allow unlimited travel on the network and on any remaining buses that are still running, and also the Thrift Save Away ticket with a 50% reduction for off-peak travel.